Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres. It's not nearly as hot a day today, but in the sun, I mean it's still 80 degrees, but boy does it beat the 90s and less humid. So today was basically cleaning up all around Alex's work site because you guys know I cannot stand a mess. I cannot stand for shit to be just laying all around the place. I I've always taken pride in St. Bernard Acres and everything put up. So, all the blocks, all the wood, everything was piled around here, boxes. So I did a little bit of framing inside to finish that up and cleaned up the area as best as I could. So it looks a little bit more presentable, but I will take you in and show you. With the walls that I put up, it may be a little bit easier now to see his vision, his designing as I go, because a lot of it is sitting around talking about, what he wants and then trying to build to that. But let me take you a walk inside, show you the walls, and the layout's a little bit easier to understand now. I'll be back. All right, so there it is. Cleaned up a bit. I got more landscaping to do, but it doesn't look like a construction zone anymore, which makes me happy. But let me take you on inside, give you an idea of what's going on in there. Man, this was a lot of work cleaning this up. I'll attach some video of me actually working because I didn't video framing anything. But we now have a doorway for the bathroom area. This is going to be a 5x8 bathroom with a 5-foot shower, 36 by 60 shower. This window right here goes on this wall. Gary and I will be doing that tomorrow. And I'm going to shoot video on how we install the window. It's pretty cool. I mean, there's plenty of videos, but I'll show you how I do it, the way Joe does it. But yeah, I got that wall framed in because I know somebody was asking if we were going to put a door on the bathroom. So yes, we are. That's getting a 30-inch door. Still got a little bit of framing to do on it. This, where these sawhorses are, is going to be the kitchen, a galley kitchen with a counter and cabinets on both sides and refrigerator stove, just be that winds up being about 8 by 8 for the galley kitchen, which isn't too bad. Then you walk on back, you come through the kitchen, and I'm framing in this door. It's going to be a 30-inch door as well. Walking into the bedroom, and we put those windows in last weekend. Then framed in his closet. And the closet's just going to have a sliding door on it, not a swing door. So all of that's put in and ready for it. We're getting it ready. We're going to start running electric next weekend because Dad has electric wire in the barn and Alex hasn't started his job yet. So I don't think he realized how much money this kind of stuff does. So he's going back to work next week. He worked for 10 years. He paid for all this stuff just off savings. So he's got to go back to work now. And he'll start making the big bucks again and making Dad look bad. But yeah, he'll have a 30, because his gun cabinet will go inside the closet. And I don't know what all he's going to do. But yeah, if you look at it from the back of the bedroom, the rooms are a little bit more defined now. It's a little bit easier to see how we're doing. This is it for wall framing. The other thing I've got left to do is put a few nailers in place. But as far as framing for the walls, we're done. This is what you get for a 14 by 32. This is gonna be a 1 bedroom, 1 bath for 1 person. And I like it. I like it. I'm still glad I ran all those ceiling joists and gave him a flat ceiling. And yes, there will be a door, an exit door going out to his deck on the side over here. We're gonna put a 36-inch exit door, so in case something happens up here, he can get out the back. But yeah, it's kind of warm inside here now. But the big thing was getting all the trash up. I got a bunch of 2x4 scrap over there that I'm gonna burn in the fire pit. But I feel much better with it clean. I know that's weird of me. But I'm gonna throw some footage in here now of me actually working, moving blocks, moving wood, moving trash, doing the cleanup stuff. That's what Dad's good for, I guess. But yeah, I'll be back.
You have a strap board?
Do what?
You have a strap board?
Yeah, I don't know where it is. But yeah, there it is. Tomorrow, Gary, like I said, Gary and I are going to put the window in and then play with our new radio. He bought me a Baofeng ham radio to learn on. So we're going to meet for breakfast, mess with that, come out here, put that window in and do a video to show you guys how I do it. And then I got lawn mowing to do. It's been probably 5 weeks since I've had to mow. But this last few days of some rain, it's really sprung up. So I got a mess to clean up. But you know what? It's all fun no matter what you're doing, as long as you're working. That's all the 2x4 scrap. I gotta feed to the fire pit. Had me a nice fire tonight. Or no, tomorrow night. I got a live stream tonight. But that's it. There's Alex's shed to house. I appreciate y'all watching this. Remember to like, share, comment, ding the bell, send money, all that kind of stuff. I'll see you guys at 8 o'clock. I'm out.